sometimes we think authenticity is about, people will say, that's just who I am. If you don't like who I am, too bad, right? To me, that's just an excuse for not being a better person, right? It's not, it's an excuse for not wanting and being willing to look at your behaviors and how they're impacting others. Being authentic is based on many things. It's based on your values first and foremost, and how you are presenting those values out in the world, how you're representing those values out in the world. It is about building trust with other people, showing respect. It's founded self-awareness and inclusion and open communication. All those different things come together to build a relationship that is authentic. So in short, it's me saying, this is who I am, but it's also me saying, I'm really want to be the best who I am possible. I don't want to be somebody who is aggressive, or who is a bully, or who is not concerned with your goals or your needs. I can be, I can disagree with you, and I can be somebody who's very to the point and very direct, while you are somebody who is a little bit more of a storyteller. We can be different people. That doesn't make us inauthentic, but it does mean that I have to really pay attention to what your needs are and take my authentic self into your space. And it might mean that I give you some time to listen to your story a little bit. I don't demand that you get right to the point right away.